Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you a product review. So you all are guessing what kind of product review is this. So this is a face wash product review. So guess the company which I'm going to show you right now. This is Joy face wash. Okay, Joy activated charcoal. We all know that Joy has been sponsored by Mrs. Anushka Sharma. So we all blindly depend on this product. And we generally use it because it is also cheaper in price than the other face washes. So I'm going to tell you the whole product review of this, so stay tuned and let's start the video. So what I was talking of is when a celebrity endorses a particular product, we blindly trust on that particular product, right? We don't even go through the ingredients which are written at the back of the products. We don't even look at the back of the product package also. So here I'm going to tell you what's written at the back of this product, what is there and what is not there in this product. So first let me show you the product package. The product package looks like this. This is activated charcoal and this is it has 5-in-1 benefits in it. This is the back side of it. I know you all can't read it. I'm going to go through some important points which are written at the back of it. So first of all, it has 5-in-1 active benefits. It purifies and detoxifies your skin, reduces the imperfections, rejuvenates the skin, deep cleanses the pores, reduces the excess oils, and so on and on. So yes, in every kind of face wash, these are the exact points which are written, and we see these particular points even in advertisements also. Do they really work? I don't feel so, but I'm surely going to apply this on my face. I'm going to show you. So okay, so things which are not there in this product and which adds to its uniqueness are: it has no alcohol, no paraben, no petrolatum, no glycols, no plastic microbeads. So these are guaranteed that this product has none of such things. And the most important part is it is written on that it is made in India. So our homemade product, we should be using it, right? So and it has a Hydra refreshing cool feel. Okay, so it is instructed to be used daily and it would give a Hydra refreshing cooling feel. Okay, so is it real or not? Let me see. Let me first apply it on my face and then show you. So guys, I have taken only this much amount of this product and I'm going to apply it on my face right in front of you and show you what are its results, actual results. So guys, I have already applied it on my face and as you all can see, there isn't a single lather on my face. So it doesn't create any frothiness on my skin. So but I have applied it that much amount only, and after that I have taken again that much amount so that I can make a frothy layer on my face, but this isn't working. But that doesn't mean that the product is bad. Frothiness doesn't prove the quality of the product. So I don't know, I have applied it and I would love to keep it for more 15 minutes and then wash it off, and then I'm going to show you. And for more information, I would love to tell that I have a very oily skin, layer of oil on my face which I have to rub it with tissue paper now and then. So while traveling also I have to carry so many tissues just to rub off the oil of my face. So that's a big trouble for me. So guys, I have washed off that face wash from my face and now I'm going to tap it clean with a soft towel. So I don't find any difference even after applying this. The charcoal face wash couldn't clear off the dirt totally. So definitely if you use this product, definitely test on a particular part of your skin obviously not on your face, but somewhere here you can definitely try a sample test before trying this product on your face. Any product you try out, guys, just take a sample test on any part of your hand. Just see whether any skin irritation persists or not. If any skin irritation persists, then definitely you won't be able to continue with that product. So this was my first day review of using this product in front of you. This is the first time I use this product, and it is written that you can use it daily, on a daily basis. So definitely I would love to use it again and again, but I don't think any particular new thing I can see on my face, like removal of pollutants or removal of blackheads. I didn't find out that, but it's quite good. It's quite good for removing the oiliness from the face, just like basically other face washes do. So nothing special, but good product. So this was my review. Hope so you all liked it. So if you like my video, guys, please do give a thumbs up, a share and subscribe to my channel for more content ahead. And thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video again. So till then, stay safe, stay happy and be positive.